welcome to TheLipmannToy, and this is the part 2 of the scaled Kamen Rider Icigo or Kamen Rider 1 and the motorcycle Cyclone. And now I'll talk about the Kamen Rider Icigo here. Is very accurate, and you can see the stripes here. Awesome. And you can see the boots. You can see it. It has layers and panels. Here you have many battle damage and the dirt here around the boot. Here is not the damage that's destroyed by me. Is the real damage in the toy. It is the dirt from the sand and the soil. Very articulate, very detailed. Okay. Okay, and you can see the helmet here. The helmet. That was just awesome. It's perfect. You can see the bug eyes in it. There's crystal, and you can see the beetle mouth. Super awesome. And you can see the hearing here. Actually you can't see it very clearly, but it has. It really has. And it's very good. And you can see inside it, you can see here have some panel linings. This is not my work. It is the toys. Is really done by the maker of it. So well done, the makers. Very good. And now the scarf actually is plastic. You can't move it. You can't move it. And the color of the scarf itself and around Kamen Rider's neck is not the same color, and that was a kind of pity. And I would like to have a real cloth rather than this plastic scarf, but it's okay. Very good. And you can see some weathering here and some dirt. Okay, and now is for the Cyclone belt. Okay, is awesome. This one is awesome. Here you can see the black lines inside it, but the camera is not too clear. Sorry. And but you can look the side of the belt. Oh, what you can see is 3 crystals, 3 real crystals. Here, 1 crystal. Here and here. Awesome. And here you can see 2 crystals, 1, 2 real crystals, and very awesome. And you can see more detail to the eyes. Okay, you can see the eyes is just the same outline of the real eye, the real helmet eye. Awesome. And some toys, just like the 6 inches toy and the Shochaku Henshin series for Kamen Rider, the eyes is a bit bigger than it is really done. Okay, but this is just perfect. It is just the same size as all the body parts of it. Super awesome. Yes. Okay. And not much to say about Kamen Rider. And I'll show you how to put back and make a pose with the motorbike Cyclone. Wait for me a minute. Okay, you need to put in 2 hands into the handle, put it inside it, and made a good pose of it. Now, this is awesome. As you can see here, this pose is very, very heroic. Okay. Kamen Rider. Awesome. This is just awesome. So, this is pretty much the review of this toy. Please comment it and rate it. Don't forget to be my friend and subscribe me. So please enjoy this review of the scaled masterpiece Kamen Rider and his motorbike Cyclone. Enjoy and have a nice day.